Hi everyone, Joe Vitale, American Retirement Advisors with the Gradient Investments weekly talking points for the week ending June 3rd, 2022. Let's talk about stock. Equities were mostly lower across the globe, with the S&P 500 declining 1.15. The Russell 2000 was down 0.22 and the NASDAQ was down 0.96. Now overseas, the developed markets, which is the EFA, was down 0.28, while the emerging markets actually increased 1.78%. Now, within the U.S., the best performing sectors were energy and the consumer discretionary, while healthcare and real estate were the laggards. Small and mid-cap stocks outperform large stocks. That's why we talk about small cap, mid-cap, large cap, some international, having some proper allocations, because we just don't know. Sometimes a large cap, sometimes a value, sometimes a small cap. We just don't know which one's going to do better, so it's good to have proper allocation. Fixed income interest rates rebounded last week, with the benchmark 10-year Treasury ending the week at 2.96, which is up 22 basis points, while the 30-year rate added 14 basis points to end at 3.11%. The 30-year fixed mortgage remained at 5.33%. Now, commodities, we'll get into OPEC and its allies agreed to accelerate oil production in July and August. OPEC Plus said it would increase output by nearly 650 barrels a day in the next 2 months, nearly another 50% of the planned increase, and the move came just days after the European Union agreed to impose a ban on most Russian oil imports later this year. Despite the agreement, oil prices rose again for the week, with the price of West Texas crude closing at $118.87 per barrel, up 3.33%. And of course, yeah, the oil companies are making a bunch of money. They don't set the prices, OPEC does, which is stupid. We're relying on the foreign to set all of our prices, but if we had more energy here, we would have lower prices, and that's the truth of the matter. But we digress. Let's get into economic data. The average U.S. home price rose 20.55% year over year in March, the highest annual gain in more than 35 years. For the 20 largest cities, the gain was even higher at 21.17%. Now, growth in non-farm payrolls during May was better than consensus estimate, and more people returned to the workforce, holding the unemployment rate at 3.96%. The gain of 390,000 jobs was concentrated in leisure and hospitality, education, as well as professional business. However, the growth rate in payrolls decelerated, while the increase in worker pay tapered off to 5.2% from 5.5%. Company news: Cigna, which is a G50 holding, saw shares drop after management reiterated 2022 revenue and earnings guidance during its investor meeting last week. Also, the long-term growth in commercial insurance premiums was maintained, while the near-term growth rate was projected to be more modest. Now, shares were down 6.77% for the week. Novo Nordisk, which is a G40I, that's an international holding, announced positive results from 2 late-stage studies of its insulin product to reduce glucose level in people with diabetes. Shares of the Denmark-based pharmaceutical firm rose 4.33% for the week. And Okta Inc., which is a G33 holding, rose 14.32% last week after the identity management services company beat analysts' expectations for revenue and earnings, and its management raised guidance for the full year. And we utilize the strength to sell the shares of Okta and kind of helping and rebalancing, taking some profit while we can. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for being part of the ARA family. To contact us, call us at 855-756-5700 or visit our website at aradvisorsinc.com. Visit us on Facebook and YouTube, or scan the QR code to get our newsletter, which hopefully you've been getting already and you're enjoying it. Any feedback, definitely let us know. We appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying this early summer, beautiful weather we're getting right now. We're getting some rain as well. But that's it. God bless you. We look forward to seeing you soon, and thanks for watching.